Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're doing another iced coffee, and this one is going to be blueberry flavor. I'm going to make our own blueberry syrup. We got some great blueberries this year. Some turned out so big and pretty. So we're going to use these blueberries to make us some homemade blueberry syrup. We're going to go by adding 1 cup of blueberries, and then to that I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And now you would be adding 1 cup of white sugar. But we're trying to stay away from white sugar. So we're going to be adding just a little bit of stevia drops to ours. So we're going to go ahead and add a little stevia to ours. But now you can use your white sugar or any sugar of your choice. And now once we add our sweetener, we're going to add a pinch of salt. Just a dash of salt. And now just bring it to a boil and let it simmer for around 30 minutes. Now we're straining our blueberry juice. But now save the blueberries because you could use those for yogurt, smoothies. You could even reboil them again and get some more syrup. But don't let them go to waste. So if you ever want to make you like a blueberry syrup, raspberry syrup, it's just equal parts berries to water to sugar. Now look at that gorgeous blueberry syrup we made ourselves. Now we're going to add And now we're going to add a little bit of our homemade blueberry syrup we made. We're going to add a little milk, whole milk. You can use any milk of your choice. A little coconut milk. We're going to top it off with about a cup of coffee. Some heavy Cool Whip. A dash of cinnamon. Okay, y'all, so if you've never tried a blueberry iced coffee, y'all need to give this one a try. Who would have ever thought blueberries in coffee would be good? But boy, it's delicious. I hope y'all give this one a try, and we're going to add just a tiny bit more of this blueberry syrup we made to the top. And you can make your own syrup for these coffees of any flavor. 1 cup of berries, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of your sugar of choice. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Now let's try this blueberry iced coffee. Ooh, that's good, y'all. Y'all need to give this blueberry syrup a try.